You know, so I feel like for all of them, I feel like say, who will I be people up on my out?
Rory, I think we know that long time. You think me just see that?
You know, the funniest thing too, true, we are picnic like they not go think say we are see what go on.
Rory, me not to watch them, you know. Because they not set no example, like how we have to take care of them.
I think a joke thing, it look like say we have to take care of them, it's true. Because of the day, I see what man on the internet that goes so big bad order for the Prime Minister.
Now, me I show you, man, thief to one mad people, them, yeah. From me remember myself, my people, them tell me, say, man, has bring you to the world. And me as a little pitney know that, and that the big man, they don't know that. A little pitney have to go run the world, now.
And yeah, I thought that we just make a serious talk, you know? But what do you think we could do to help make things better? What do you think we could do to help them mad people?
Boy, I me think about it rough. I think you have to go to school and learn a book.
No, so I will go down back in the yard before me come.
Alright then, come on.
Rory, mommy say not to left out the yard.
I'm not going nowhere. My friend them a go for wardrobe.
Mommy say if you not left out the yard, me say come back now.
Oh.
Who is calling?
No, the man from come win off him money, man.
What that for? Alright.
Alright, come in, man. I want to lose our fellow could change.
Might you lose back pay money to the attack.
Papa, you have a ball field.
So you do everything that you have already?
Yeah, man, me sweep up yard and everything already.
Make sure, you know. I like the gate right now. But Wallace, you said no, I'm call you. I'm done with call you.
Rory! Rory! Rory!
Yo, me I go for ball girl and I come.
You know, so me can't come home, so I have to come out of the yard.
I eat that idiot, brother. Call me I go play some football up, that's how we are going.
Well, you can't come now. You will get beaten if me come. Yo, go and left me. I go check sitting around this so I come back here.
Alright, me I got a bar ground and make sure say you come in because you tell me say you have come, I go pick up on my team. So come a bar ground.
So Don man, how you alone sit down right here so I want to draft you?
Short, you know, say no me want do. And I rest down there can go things in car and back down with a fire. But I know say a balling can ball over your money.
So you really take away the whole of the man money?
When you all that money and can ball over it.
Noted. So come at me and play a game now?
I mean man, anytime I ready.
I joke me and make me even know if you play the game, you have to go show me.
Well, that not like no problem, you know. Like you're a fast player now.
So I'm going differently.
As usual, they are going easy enough right and I'm more to a new woman in my life.
You? You don't want nobody. One good thing you want to do is mess with people, girls pick me. If you get someone away from high school, come fix up a table. Come.
My baby, no baby, Oh no!
I hope on the road they're trying to figure it out. Because mommy say no feel left yard. Come, call go on in.
No.
You know, so I feel like you want to make me win the game then. But that's true, me have to go away, you know.
Yo, you're good, man. Next time we're here.
Alright, bless up yourself.
Alright.
Jano, not even did realize the rain fall. True, me go in there one of my long time school friend did in there, make me never mash up the mission, you know. Sure.
Where's that, man? Me no business about that. A serious mission this, you know. Rasta man need for dead. Alright, let me tell you something if you don't know what I go on. I know if you know the brother when named Fires. But me usually drive for him, you see me? And enough styling go on. But I know say him have some whole heap of dogs. You get what I say? And that the man there one of them. Him a one of the top dog them. Me need that the man that get take out of the picture first. Me tell her say if you just put hey. Ah boy, how am I gonna deal with this now? Give me a strap. Give me a strap.
Jano, the thing did sensitive, you know, man. And that the man they know everything about me. Just make me hold on pan his strap for a little bit, man. Just make me go and hold on pan his strap. Because I couldn't deal with the mission. I have to just go and hold on. Because as me tell you, say, the man they know everything about me. Because me and him used to go to school and the man know my last name, the man even know me live. Yeah.
Alright, here we go. I make you hold on pan his strap. I need to understand that this matter is sensitive just the same. And you could have bust out head same way, you know, bust out the two of them head same.
Say, expect some supposed to bust out somebody head when me and them go to school. Jano, couldn't do it.
You know what?
Couldn't do it.
It's alright, probably me too eager. Probably me too excited to do this. And then again you have a youth. Hold on. Just get the idea, you know. You know what you can do? You can kidnap a youth, you know. You can get the youth and then lure him in instead of a probably buck up and see him nonsense like this again. Alright, here we go. Drive the car, ready.
Yeah, you know, so today when I forward on the block, it's a thing I come for deal with.
Say, Miss Meredy.
But you save him. Yeah, so here what? Why you tell him to protect you, you see me, because I can run in that anytime.
Hold on. Tuta, come here. Jano.
But that's true because I see you. Yeah, because I did want this year, but you see boy fire us. Somebody set me up on a link for deal with a crime with him, you know. Yeah.
Right now, I have to make fire now this time. I have to terrify this time. No joke. You see me? Right now, Jota have to protect your son head now. Protect your son head, you understand?
Yo, me I can't you. Just come make fire now what go on.
Alright.
Yo, turn you. Ranjay. Me no business push fire there now, you know. Just forward in our yard. No, you know. Alright, my son.
Say how this serious.
Serious something this man.
Walk out of here, man.
Yo, Wagwan! Yo, Fauna! May I come? Yo, Wagwan.
Yo, me have something serious to tell you in a forward.
Me know say true me never come and buy a film, you know. But I could have come. Sister already there, mother say me for the yard.
No man, and not that. I said serious than that. When me there bargain, my father call me, I would believe when he tell me say.
So your father call and tell say,
Father tell me say me not to left out the yard to avoid bargain. And me avoid bargain, he gonna buy one PlayStation 3 for me and one of my friend and he said, who me fi buy from? I tell him say, I want one for you.
you too lie, your father not buy no PS3.
God no true thing. Me run from bargain and come run and start see something happen. I think tell me yesterday.
When you say I go get them?
No, he said me fi avoid bargain. So me avoid bargain come on PS3.
Alright, remember what you say no? Remember what you say? You go up now, no. Because mommy no like me come out just no. Not even so, you go up.
Alright, me I can go down to you now if I not lick more.
Oh, Jutta, give me a look for you now. Give me a look for.
So you don't even know you.
You know, say, a brown man down the road, see me and say, I want to see you from window.
So the brown man I look for me for, brother. Brown man I look for me for. Tell me say me a person. Tell me say I see.
Come on, youth. I'm link the other day for this man that will link back. How you see the nurse just loose up?
Brother, don't lick fire upon that already. That the man the way I talk about joke thing that, brother. That the man they not strap you. That the man they just used to drive faking. And me I go tell her me youth say me go buy a PlayStation just to stay in her yard. Brother, that's soft man you. Soft done.
So you say, you sure say everything good? Because that the girl there, you know, normal girl from high school, you know, that girl will slap out people being right, knowing. You understand? So you sure say everything good? Make sure, say you sure now, say everything good.
My youth.
You understand? Make sure.
When the girl they come there, you see her with no strap. Them not no strap.
So alright then, you have a strapper now?
Me never left it yet.
Trita, you know say I have a strap but I never see it. I see him to she could have her strap, but I never see it. You get to me and say my father.
I understand what you're saying now. But we don't talk to fire, you know. All that, you know. Fire me I work with, you see me? Man said that loose my youth. So I like that. You see me live and pray about that. And my youth, PlayStation money me I pray about right now. You see me? So you can go and stress out yourself over that. I'm good. You hear that?
That's me general. Still, fire not God, you know. You can't see everything. You understand? Right now, I couldn't talk sound loose. So now I go and I really understand. So we link up.
Yeah, well, man.
He'll do some man the work. I can't forget myself out of this godforsaken place. Tommy. Yeah, I'm busy right now. Park fast. Oh. Alright, give me about 3 more hours. 3 more hours and we'll be good. 3 more hours. The thing is, no, a little bit of complication, but it's fine now. I would just say the kerosene I did for the pick up and drop off. She spoiled, so anything spoiled now we have to throw it away. Yeah. Yeah, we go up on the location. It did supposed to start from then, but she come back and tell me say she's a friend from high school, so she couldn't carry it out, and she even did want to keep the strap. So it just makes you feel like everything alright. I'm gonna figure more or less that she drop some information, so I'm gonna take no check. You understand? So yeah, business as usual. But give me 3 more hours, me pay for your trouble. Just stay at the wharf. You don't do the pickup, you know, because we don't want the paper trail lead back nowhere. So you get what I say? So give me 3 more hours, me pay for your trouble. Everything will alright. As I say, just run now and like a bit same thing there, so I have to clean it up and yeah. No, Tommy, you have it wrong. You have it totally wrong. Me not interested any at all in taking over fire crime syndicate. Me not interested in that. My plan is to take it down. I know I said precious to him and I know I said I love it. I don't want it. But anything that people love, you take it and you destroy it, then it causes them pain. So in 3 hours time, my friend, 3 hours.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Your name is Price?
Yes.
So you two you them really out to say your grandson them though?
Yeah man, and my grandson, what happened?
Me no know how to tell this now, you know. But you see your grandson them,
Yes.
you have to send with them.
Send them my grandson. For what? Why me must send them when now?
One. You see Jota, the serious man, you know, they're not fine. You understand?
Yeah.
And no one go around. You understand?
You understand?
So that's why I'm not sure to listen. Because send where you grandson them, but no one no trouble. You understand my son?
Hello, beautiful people. Good evening. Welcome back to the channel. I hear the cricket them. Yes, me know. Lawrence cut to the movie shot. Yes, me understand. I go see a whole heap of comments. I say, Lara, we need to make it longer. Da. Yeah, me understand. But here what I need enough to do. This is what I need enough to do. To help me to make like 1 hour of one to just watch. And before I go any further, this film that you just saw, there's a first part to it. If this is your first time here, there's a first part to it on the channel. So the it's called the Takedown Just the Same. The thumbnail is one of the characters' face, Rory. That young man where his parents don't want him come out of the yard. So you can definitely go and check out that one and da. But yeah, me need enough to like, share and subscribe guys so you can afford me the resources that I need to make full length movies. At the moment I have 0 equipment, 0. But luckily my brethren Richard Brown has the camera, so you know I can go over there, borrow him equipment and film. You get me? So yeah, but apart from that, you are going to need resources like money to pay actors, right? I'm going to need a camera because Richie can't lend me camera them all the time. He have few movies them to make as well. And then he can't big up yourself, him can't lend me equipment. Suppose me go mash you up, what am I gonna do now? And him have difficult to find camera for himself ready and then I go bad. So all I need you guys to do is like, share and subscribe so we can afford some full length movies. Now obviously these films aren't comedy. That's not my life. I'm not a funny person. Majority of my life I was in corporate, I was a part of corporate Jamaica, then law enforcement. So majority of the stories that will come from here, majority of the stories that I'll produce are things that I would have seen in the courthouse, reports that were made to me. And of course, I still have my journal them from when I was a police officer. So those are the things that I'll express in video. So definitely guys, like, share and subscribe so I can get into some full length movies. I enjoy doing this. For everybody who know me know say how Lawrence started out with B-roll and credits to Peter McKinnon. Every single thing I know about filming, video, everything I learned about video, I learned it from Peter McKinnon. He has a YouTube channel on here
if you're interested in learning about filming a video and if you use the editing software, how to color grade and if you make regular DSLR footage look like Cinecam footage, you can definitely check Peter McKinnon. Big up to Peter McKinnon, although you may not think you might ever see one of my videos, but yeah, credits to him. He is the person that I learned video and video editing from. So yeah, people, you don't want to see full-length things like these, subscribe, like, and share. Share upon your Instagram, your Facebook, all about. You understand? Because actresses, actors, them are go want money, them are go want food. People will get frustrated and if they feel like say or nothing now come from that, they're not going to want to continue. Which is what happens most of the time. That's why I do short films. So if I can't finish everything right away, so like I have to go back and say, oh, we need to continue. And say, you know, I don't feel like do it today. When I pay them, there's no, me not feel like do it today. You get me? So yeah, guys, like, share, subscribe, help me make full-length movies, and yeah. So little more. Big up all of the actors them. Big up Richie for lending me equipment them. Big up Jutta. Big up Rory. Big up everybody who participated in the video. Ackeen Lawrence really appreciate the help. And big up everybody who are watching now. Big up all the members. Oh, there will be a link in the description if you're interested in being a member. You can definitely check out the description. Membership also, you can contribute a small donation monthly. So you can help me to get these resources. So yeah, until then, I hit that from me. Like, share, subscribe, little more.